Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. Today we are going to be discussing one of the most interesting airdrops of this season, and this is going to be the Eigenlayer, but for Bitcoin. So if that is something that looks interesting or sounds interesting to you, you have to stay until the end of this video because I'm going to tell you how to qualify for this testnet airdrop. So yes, guys, that means you don't have to spend anything. You don't need to stake your Bitcoin. It's just testing the service, which will be launched pretty soon. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, guys, you probably have heard about Eigenlayer. Eigenlayer is a restaking protocol where you can actually stake your staked Ether, which you probably stake somewhere else like Rocket Pool and Lido and all those other protocols. Well, this is a staking protocol for Bitcoin, which means it's unique, it's different, and it might be worth a lot someday. So if you want to be part of this protocol and of course qualify for the airdrop that are going to be launching soon, then you need to participate in the testnet right now. And it's really easy, guys. It's probably on par with Nibiru, as easy to get qualified for that protocol's airdrop. So I'm going to show you my browser so we can follow along and so you can see how to qualify for this airdrop. And here we are. The protocol is called Bouncebit. So they are offering to earn yield from your idle Bitcoin with restaking. They are backed by a ton of investors. I don't know all of this, but I would imagine, I know Mexi, I know HETX, OKX. So that gives me some comfort. Of course, I'm not staking my ETH, right? This is testnet. But if I were to use this protocol, at least the backing financiers are really big. Now, they speak about who are their angel investors. And one of them particularly is from Eigenlayer, this guy too. So it is no surprise that this is an interesting protocol and it was meant to be, guys. If you can stake ETH, why not stake Bitcoin? And my take is that if you trust or you have heard a lot of people about Eigenlayer, probably going to be one of the largest airdrops of this cycle, I'm sure that Bouncebit might be on par with that. Now, I'm not going to read you the full page because it has a lot of information. Suffice to say that they are currently on the testnet. They are planning to launch on April. So that means that we have a few weeks to test this protocol, qualify for that airdrop, and then on April, if they're launching their mainnet, then they might be having the tokens ready, which means we will receive that interesting airdrop. And I particularly don't think I'm going to be selling these tokens until we get to the top of the market, which might be in a few months. Okay, so how to qualify for the airdrop? First thing you need to do is click on early access down here. Once you do that, it's going to be asking you for an invite code. As always, guys, I have your back. I'm going to be placing my invite codes on the description of this video. So it's going to be first come, first served. And if you are interested in qualifying, then go ahead and click on those or use those codes. Otherwise, if you're not interested in this, please leave those invite codes for other people. Okay, so once you enter this invite code, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. I click here, it's offered me MetaMask. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to open my wallet and it's going to ask me, in this case, to sign, not to transfer money or anything else. So as you can see, I already entered my code. I already connected my wallet, and then it's going to be asking me to follow Bouncebit on Twitter. So all you have to do is click on connect Twitter. It's going to open your Twitter account. Then you just have to authorize the protocol to check your Twitter. And lastly, you're going to have to connect your Discord. So you click here on connect Discord. This is an invitation to join. You can read this thing. I already read it and it's okay. And click on authorize. And once you click on that, then you're going to have all your check marks and then you can check your airdrop. You click here and I have no points because I have not bridged. So this is the other thing they're asking you to bridge. So fortunately, you don't have to bridge from Ethereum. You can bridge from BNB chain. So what is the token that you need to reach, it's WBTC, so that's wrapped BTC. And in this case, the the Binance version. So they're asking you to transfer around $10 worth of this token, and that will qualify you for getting points. I'm not entirely sure if you get more points the more you reach, but it seems to me that if you want to qualify with the minimum amount, $10 would suffice. But if you are willing to stake more, then you're welcome to do that. If you're wondering where to get this wrapped Bitcoin, it's really easy. All you have to do, if you don't buy them on an exchange, I'm not sure if they're available on an exchange, you come here to PancakeSwap, and this is one of the main places where you can actually buy most of the BNB coins. You make sure that you are on the BNB chain, you connect your wallet, of course, and once you do that, you're going to be able to swap any kind of coin for the wrapped Bitcoin. So if you don't find the wrapped Bitcoin here, all you have to do is type BTCB, and that is your wrapped Bitcoin. And you can swap any kind of token. I'm not going to be doing that because I actually, in order to qualify for another airdrop, which is the one I discussed on Polyhedra, which is this one, I sent my BNB elsewhere. But you can click here on your balance if you were to be swapping BNB, and it's going to tell you how many Bitcoin or wrapped Bitcoin you're going to be getting in exchange. So just make sure that the amount you're transferring is this 0.00014 BTCB. So once you do that, I don't know why it's so slow. Once you do that, you just swap them, you come back here, and you bridge them. So you will be able to select max. Of course, I don't have that right now. And you just click on bridge, and then you will be earning your points. And it's as easy as that, guys. Again, I think that Eigenlayer is great, is big. They have a ton of money that is staked in there or restaked in there, and they have a lot of financing. And Bouncebit is the same concept, and it's actually backed by Eigenlayer founders. So probably, guys, this is one of those hidden airdrops that almost no one is talking about, but probably this is going to be worth a ton. And it's, all you have to do invest is $10 plus gas fee, which might be like 10 cents of a dollar. And if you want to bridge more, and of course, stake a little bit of Bitcoin and get some rewards in exchange for that, and of course, more points for this airdrop, then, it doesn't hurt to do that. I'm sure that you have been spending some gas fees by trying to qualify for ZK Sync, Scroll, and all those L2s from the Ethereum chain. So in my, the way I think about it is this might be worth more than some of the other stuff we've been doing, with some exceptions, of course, with the exception of Wormhole and all those huge airdrops. Okay, guys, if this was useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Startup Central, because we, as always, keep talking about airdrops, about how to find crypto gems, and in another chance, how to make money with crypto in general. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.